Hello and welcome to You. I'm the Budget Boss, and today we are tackling recovering our budgets after holiday spending. But fear not, I've got some tips to help you bounce back and regain control of your finances. So let's dive in. The first step in your budget recovery journey is to assess the damage. Take a close look at those post-holiday bank statements and those credit card bills and understand the extent of your spending and take note of any new debts. This clear picture will be the foundation for your recovery plan. Now, let's talk strategy. If you've accumulated new debts, prioritize paying them off, the high interest ones first. Tackling these debts early on will save you money in the long run, and consider negotiating with your creditors to set up manageable payment plans. And it's time to roll up your sleeves and get to the nitty-gritty of your budget. Reevaluate your income, your fixed expenses, and your discretionary spending. That means your cash flow, everything you have left over after you pay all your bills. Identify the areas where you can cut back temporarily and allocate more funds towards your debt repayment. Creating a realistic and sustainable budget is the key to regain that control. Moving on to setting goals. Establish SMART financial goals, which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Break down your goals into manageable steps, such as paying off a specific amount of debt each month, and this roadmap will guide your progress and keep you motivated. Finally, to prevent future setbacks, focus on building or replenishing your emergency fund. Having a financial safety net will help cover unexpected expenses, reducing the need for credit cards or loans. Aim to have about 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. And there you have it, budget bosses. Recovering from a busted budget can be daunting, overwhelming, but it is possible. Take these steps, implement them, take a look, just take a moment, get a cup of tea, sit down, relax, and play some soft music to get your head together, and then tackle it. Don't just let it sit there and rot away. Make sure you address your budget. Before you know it, you'll be right back on track where you need to be and beyond and ahead. I hope this was helpful. Please consider joining our community of money masters and budget bosses, and say it with me now. I'm a budget boss. I'm a budget boss. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.